Hello and welcome back to How to Guide. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to use Sendit application. So for the people who don't know, Sendit is an application that you can connect with your Snapchat and add in messages to snaps or stories that you add. To use it, you must first download it onto your phones and then just open it up and tap on Let's Go. Just tap on Continue. And there you go, your Sendit and Snapchat has now been connected. Now all you do is tap on this box right here and then you can type in anything that you want. If you tap on this dice, it's going to give you a new question or a new sentence. You can also change in the fonts, and if you tap on this fire emoji, it's going to give you the trending questions or the trending sentences that you can use. You can also change in the background, and there you go, you just tap on share and it's gonna open up your Snapchat with that particular sentence. You can just take a snap of anything and you can just send it as a snap, or you can also add it as a story. So that's how you use the Sendit application. It was quick and easy. There's not a lot that you can do with it, and that's about it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.